Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share information about the most exciting vacation concept ever. Panvoya means all things travel, and what you're about to see will change the way you vacation forever. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. Panvoya will enable you to read more pages more often and for a lot less money than you ever thought possible. The dream of world travel has captured the imaginations of our ancestors for hundreds of years. The excitement of experiencing new places and cultures has long been in our dreams. Other than major life events like weddings and graduations, vacations are some of the most talked about events in our lives. People talk about their vacations weeks before they go and rave about them for weeks, months, or even years after they return. Many of our most precious memories are created while on vacation with the people we love the most. The more vacations we take, the more memories we make. As a matter of fact, a recent Huffington Post survey found that 80% of all items on your bucket list have to do with travel or travel-related adventure. So, what's on your bucket list? Where do you want to go? Perhaps you've always dreamed about taking your kids or grandkids to Disney World. Or maybe it's a Caribbean cruise where you can zip line into the Caribbean Sea. How about a romantic getaway for two to the Florida Keys? Or a dip in the pond at the base of a beautiful waterfall. Imagine witnessing the mystic beauty of the Northern Lights. Or standing at the top of the Eiffel Tower while taking in the panoramic views of the City of Lights at night. Experience the enchanting beauty of Venice, often called the most romantic city in the world. Bask in the awesome beauty of Tahiti while relaxing in your over-the-water bungalow. Discover one of the ancient wonders of the world while standing on the Great Wall of China, the only man-made structure visible from space. And get your cameras ready to capture the adventure of a lifetime, a photo safari in the wilds of Tanzania. It's time to get your dream on. So why aren't we all making memories by experiencing what the world has to offer? The two main reasons why people don't travel is because they either can't afford it or they simply don't have time to take a vacation. So what if time and money were no longer an issue? What if I could show you how to vacation more for less money? What is the solution? Panvoya. Panvoya is a travel and lifestyle company that is revolutionizing the way people vacation. Panvoya has a unique product offering that makes it possible for you to travel more on a smaller budget by delivering savings of up to 75% on your vacations. Panvoya's low price guarantee assures that you will always save money on your vacations. As a Panvoya subscriber, you will save money in 3 different ways. Panvoya Travel Savings is designed to save you money on your everyday vacation travel. Panvoya Getaways magnifies your savings at select resorts and cruise departures around the world. Panvoya Resort Access delivers unparalleled value with unlimited resort weeks available from only $199 per week. Here's how it works. Panvoya Travel Savings provides exclusive savings of up to 10% off even the best online prices. The Big Three all have similar prices. What if one of the Big Three suddenly announced that they would beat all the others by 10%? There wouldn't be a Big Three anymore. There would be a Big One. Have you ever heard of a minimum advertised price? That is why their prices are almost always the same online. Most hotels and resorts simply won't allow their properties to be advertised for a lower price than what is available on the resort's own website. Panvoya gives you exclusive access to special prices that you won't ever see published online. Panvoya saves you money on cruises and river cruises, all-inclusive vacation packages, escorted tours worldwide, and even hotels and rental cars. Here are some examples of how Panvoya Travel Savings can save you money. As you can see in this example, the best online price for the Hyatt Regency in Maui was $226 per night. Panvoya subscribers enjoy the same room at the same resort on the same dates for only $96 per night. Here's another example. The Wyndham Cypress Palms in Orlando, Florida. This price is for a 2-bedroom condo unit that sleeps 6. The best online price is $76 per night. Panvoya subscribers enjoy the same room at the same resort on the same dates for only $57 per night. The second way we save our customers money is with Panvoya Getaways. Our customers save up to 40% off the best online prices when vacationing at our featured premium resorts and on select cruise departures.
One of the most unique features of Panvoya Getaways is that most of them enable our customers to enjoy date flexibility. This enables you to travel when you want, where you want, and with whom you want to travel. Panvoya Group Getaways give you a chance to enjoy great vacation experiences with the other Panvoya subscribers from around the world. And best of all, your personal travel concierge will take care of all of the details for you. Here are a few examples of the amazing values available with Panvoya Getaways.
This 6-day, 5-night package at a 5-star all-inclusive resort in the Dominican Republic features an ocean view junior suite with a private in-room jetted tub for two, a $1,500 resort credit that can be used for things like room upgrades, swimming with the dolphins, jet skiing, or even spa treatments. The best online price at this resort is $1,139 per person. The Panvoya price starts at only $789 per person. That is a huge savings of $700 per couple on just one vacation. This 6-day, 5-night package at a 5-star all-inclusive resort in the Riviera Maya area just south of Cancun, Mexico, features a deluxe oceanfront suite and a $1,500 resort credit. The best online price at this resort is $1,212 per person. The Panvoya price starts at only $812 per person. This is a huge savings of $800 per couple. This cruise getaway is on one of the largest cruise ships in the world and features 8 days and 7 nights in a deluxe balcony accommodation. This ship has award-winning dining and entertainment and is one of the most innovative ships at sea. It has the largest pool complex at sea, a surf simulator, a rock climbing wall, the largest kids area at sea, a carousel, an aqua theater, and even a zip line on board. The best online price for this cruise is $1,469 per person. The Panvoya getaway price is $1,169 per person. That's a savings of $600 per couple. The third and most impressive way our customers save money is with Panvoya Resort Access. Panvoya customers get access to resorts that are generally reserved for fractional owners who have paid $15,000 to $25,000 or more. With over 6,500 resorts in 100 countries around the world, at prices as low as $199 per week, Panvoya gives you access to more resorts at the best possible prices. And to make things even better, thousands of these resorts are within 5-hour drives for over 90% of the U.S. population. Why is that important? Nearly 50% of all vacations taken by people around the world is within a 5-hour drive of their primary residence. Here are some examples of the amazing resort vacations available with Panvoya. Las Vegas, Nevada. The beautiful Tahiti Village Resort for 8 days and 7 nights. A 1-bedroom unit with a full kitchen that sleeps up to 4 people is available from only $269 per week. That's an amazing price of only $39 per night. And keep in mind, every example you're about to see is for a full week, not per person, but the total price, for as many people as the unit will sleep. Steamboat Springs, Colorado, the 5-star Steamboat Grand Hotel and Resort for 8 days and 7 nights. A studio unit with a full kitchen that sleeps up to 4 people is available from only $387 per week. That's only $56 per night. Branson, Missouri, Silverleaf's Holiday Hills Resort. This 4-star resort in a studio unit with a full kitchen from only $244 per week. That's only $35 per night. Flint, Texas, Silverleaf's Villages Resort. This resort features an indoor water park. A 2-bedroom unit with a full kitchen that sleeps up to 6 people is available from only $297 per week. That's only $43 per night for up to 6 people. Orlando, Florida. The Silver Lake Resort is only minutes away from Disney World. A 2-bedroom unit with a full kitchen that sleeps 6 people is available from only $350 per week. That's only $50 per night. And a 2-bedroom unit that sleeps up to 8 people at the 5-star Sheraton Broadway Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, is available from only $440 per week. That's only $63 per night in one of the hottest vacation destinations on the East Coast. Imagine spending a week in Venice on a 5-star luxury houseboat. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom houseboat sleeps up to 6 people. The Panvoya Resort Access price starts at only $294 per week in one of the most expensive cities to visit in the world. And for those interested in something more tropical, here is the amazing Pueblo Bonito Resort in Mexico. This resort features 8 acres of private oceanfront beach from only $269 per week. That is only $38.50 per night for a resort that typically costs over $250 per night. Imagine how much money you could save on every vacation you ever take as a Panvoya subscriber. And remember, there is no limit to the number of vacations you can take. If it's available, you can book it, without any limits. So, how is this all possible? Well, it's simple. Panvoya does not rely on profits from travel sales to be profitable. In fact, Panvoya does not sell travel at all. Our subscribers get access to Panvoya's exclusive vendor contracts that save them money every time they take a vacation. All the other online companies selling travel rely on the markup they add to your vacation, so they can make a profit. This is not the business we're in. Mr. Paul Corey, our president and CEO, has over 26 years of travel industry experience. He actually started his own travel agency at the age of 16 and still owns and operates that business, which has now become one of the leading sellers of retail vacation travel in the United States. He's also founded several other successful retail and service-based companies over the years. Mr. Grant Mers, our Vice President of Product Development, has over 23 years of travel industry experience. He brings extensive connections on the wholesale side of the travel industry that have made the Panvoya product offering truly unique in our industry. The combination of experience and relationships Panvoya is able to leverage as a result of Paul and Grant coming together has made the amazing Panvoya product possible. So let's talk about what we've covered. Panvoya offers its customers exclusive savings on all vacation travel. That includes up to 75% off the normal weekly rates at over 6,500 resorts in over 100 countries worldwide. Panvoya Getaways can save you up to 40% off the best online prices on select luxury cruises and all-inclusive resorts with date flexibility. And Panvoya can even save you up to 10% off on all other cruises, resorts, escorted tours, hotels, and rental cars. Most importantly, since Panvoya subscriptions are all unlimited use, there is no limit to how much you can save. And with 24/7 travel concierge service available in 4 languages, you can plan your vacations anytime, day or night. Panvoya is amazingly affordable and truly delivers the best value in one of the largest industries in the world. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how much is it? Let's take a look at how much similar travel products might cost. There are some premium vacation clubs offering similar products to Panvoya Getaways and Travel Savings for anywhere from $2,500 to well over $12,000 up front, plus $199 to $499 each and every year after that. Fractional resort ownership can easily cost $15,000 to $25,000 or more, plus an additional $750 to $1,250 each year for the maintenance fees and taxes. To get a similar value to what Panvoya is offering, you might expect to pay well over $20,000 to $25,000 up front and over $1,000 or more each year. You'll be pleasantly surprised to learn that Panvoya Premium is only $997 one time and $59 per month. Now that you're a proud Panvoya subscriber, how would you feel about having your $59 monthly fee waived? How many people do you know who would love to take a vacation at the same discounted rates you now enjoy? Simply introduce them to Panvoya and share the savings. When at least 3 of them enroll, we will waive your $59 monthly fee.
Now is the time to join Panvoya and get started on your bucket list. 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the ones you did. So throw off the bow lines, sail away from safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails, explore, dream, discover.